हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आज आपके लिए लेके आए हैं एक अनबॉक्सिंग की वीडियो जो कि है DGI माइक मिनी। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। दिस डिवाइस इज़ स्पेशली मेड फॉर आईफोन and it can be used with cameras and directly paired with Apple iPhone and tabs. DGI is a very nice brand. It's Chinese, but its quality is very nice. It comes with a case, two mic, one receiver. It's having one auxiliary power plug for connecting the receiver unit, having some documentation in it, and this is the box. This contains the small stickers. You can fix it on the SD cards and even on the DJI box. Some documents, and the main thing is inside this plastic pouch. So it comes with a protective case. You can easily take all of your stuff in it without any hesitation. Let's just start to unbox it. So it comes with three small plastic pouches. This one is for reduction of noise. It's having four pieces, two black, two gray. This is the charging cable and the auxiliary cable for the mic, and here comes the charging case for the receiver, that is transmitter and receiver part. It comes with only C-type power adapter to the receiver. It is not coming with the lightning type. You have to press it here and then tada, it's a new blinking thing inside. Very small, very lightweight, and the grip is very nice. And then even the magnets are very strong. It cannot go off when you are going to clip it on your t-shirt, shirt, or somewhere else. And the build quality is very nice. This is the receiver part, and that is the USB-C type power to the receiver. All fits in the box. No need to worry where to keep other things. Sorry, this way. Okay, I will put it. I forgot how to put it. I will put it later. So this is easy here, and this one here. It's very like and unique case and easy to handle. So it comes with two variants. One I have shown you. This details is for the same, and this is for one transmitter and one receiver. You will not get the case